extreme there.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Look at that. Like that paddleboard extreme.
Yeah, I look at the paddle. It's just bamboo. It's bamboo. Whoa! They belong. So clear, they belong.
Huh?
So clear.
Wow.
There's a guy. There's a guy. Don't hit him.
Whoa.
What? What happened?
Island. Island. Oh, we can go between the two trees, huh?
No. No! Yeah, of course. I already know.
Oh, two now.
Exactly. Wow.
Go between those two trees, okay?
Oh, there's a root sticking out.
Huh?
There's a root sticking out.
That guy's amazing. I can balance it out here too. Paddleboard extreme. This is a big one.
Maybe they're local because it's so public. Roots. Wow. Trees on the beach. It's called mangrove.
The LT4, okay? Well, when you look at the kayak bottom, it's pretty amazing how the air bubble behind your butt. You see behind, you can see the water too.
We don't hit the boat. Oh, I forgot my cap. No. Maybe I'm gonna get my cap
Look at that.
in my green bag.
My green bag, your green bag's here.
Oh, my green bag is there. What? What?
Whoa,
Don't
Titanic
move! Wait now. Wait. Go to the side.
There's that.
No, not you. The whole boat. Can you hold this? Stop.
Okay, stop. Okay, they're over there.
tayo kay Pilam? They want you to paddle? We can go around. But it's the other side is more windy.
Okay, Gora.
Yeah, but it's more challenging on the other side because it's not calm water. So, I don't know. And if you fall, there's sea urchins.
Sea urchins.
Yeah, for sure.
Be extremely careful here, guys.
And only Lynn has life jacket. Give it up. Don't hit the book.
Okay, it's time for me.
Time for beer.
What's your?
See more open water, more dangerous. Because there's current. Hey, Bilab, I don't like open water.
Okay.